In this video, we are going to see how we can develop a 100% stack or full stack bar chart in a Tableau. So in the previous example, we have developed a stack bar chart, and we have already seen that it is used for month by month sales comparison. And let's say within the main data, you only want to keep the months as bars, but within that bars, you want to see the region's performance as well. So this is ideal for that. What if a particular month has very limited sales, and within that sales, there are multiple regions as well. So it's very difficult to read if the month by month sales or year by year sales have a big differences. So in those cases, in any particular month, the bar could be right here and there are multiple colors inside. So in that case, it's very difficult to read that kind of data. So if you want to properly compare the portions of the contribution for each region in the total sales, we make this level 100% for all, so that you can easily read the contribution for each region month by month, even though they have lesser data in the bar. But let's see how we can develop this from scratch. Let me just delete this, insert a new one, and let's call it a full stacked bar chart, or in some cases we call it 100% stack bar chart. After that, we will put the sales in the rows and we will put the dates in the columns. Let's switch it up to months, and this is a line chart. Let's make it a bar chart, entire view, and now we have it. Let's put the regions inside. We will put the regions in colors. Just hold the control key and drag it towards colors, and we have too many colors inside because we have multiple regions. So if you want to filter any three of them, let's drag and drop this in the filters, and let's only use Barrier Down Defense and Gulberg, and click apply and OK. Now we have a limited comparison. What we want to do is this stack chart should be converted into full stack bar chart. Let's go to the rows, and next to the sum, you will see this drop down. From here, we will go to quick table calculation and change it to percentage of total. Let's switch it to that, and you will see that instead of showing numbers, it is converted to percentage, but it's only up to 14%. It's not 100%. So we want to convert that even further. After that, what we can do is just click on edit table calculation. And from here, instead of table across, we will switch it to specific dimensions. And here we will not use month of date. We will only use regions. So just uncheck that and close here. What this will do is this will give the region the preference to show up as performance. So now we can easily manage and see the region wise performance. Even though in any particular month the sales is too low, still we can easily read the performance of each region. So that's ideal for this kind of scenarios where the sales fluctuate too much over time. In one month, it might be 10,000. In other month, it might be 100,000. So it's very difficult to compare different colors within that region if you don't have a full stack bar chart. So that's how you can develop this. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.